Dear student, welcome to organic chemistry class. In previous lecture, we have seen aromatic amine, the types of aromatic amine, classification, property, basicity and so on. In this lecture, we will study about aromatic acid. So what is aromatic acid? Aromatic acid is the compound in which one or more carboxyl group are attached directly to aromatic ring. Okay. The first derivative of aromatic acid is benzoic acid. The other example of aromatic acid is salicylic acid, 2-amino-benzoic acid, phthalic acid, orthotolic acid, 3-nitrobenzoic acid is the example of aromatic acid. So what is benzoic acid? Benzoic acid is the molecule consists of benzene ring to which carboxyl functional group is linked. The benzoic acid is a simplest aromatic carboxylic acid. The physical property of benzoic acid. The benzoic acid is a colorless solid. The nature of benzoic acid is crystalline in nature. The crystal structure of benzoic acid is monoclinic. Because of aromatic ring, benzoic acid gives faintly pleasant odor. The melting point of aromatic acid is 122 degrees Celsius. The benzoic acid gives sharp melting point. The benzoic acid is slightly stronger acid than acetic acid. Okay, it is the physical property of benzoic acid. First is it is a colorless solid. Next, it is crystalline in nature. The crystal structure of benzoic acid is monoclinic. Because of aromatic ring, benzoic acid gives faintly pleasant odor. The melting point of benzoic acid is 122 degrees Celsius. It is stronger acid than acetic acid. Next is chemical properties of benzoic acid. The benzoic acid is soluble in water. It is also soluble in organic solvent like benzene, carbon tetrachloride, acetone and alcohol. The reaction occurs at carboxylic group as well as the aromatic ring in benzoic acid. Okay. Chemical property of benzoic acid. It is soluble in water. It is also soluble in organic solvent like benzene, carbon tetrachloride, acetone, alcohol, etc. Okay. Next is uses of benzoic acid. The benzoic acid is used in production of phenol. Next is this compound means benzoic acid is also used in ointment that prevent or treat fungal skin disease. The benzoic acid is also used as an preservative in food industry. Next use of benzoic acid is it is used in manufacturing of dye and insect repellent. Okay. The first use of benzoic acid is production of phenol. Next, the use in ointment that prevent the treatment that prevent or treat fungal skin disease. Next use of benzoic acid is it is used as an preservative in food industry. The second use of benzoic acid it is used in the manufacturing of dye and insect repellent. Okay, this is the uses of this is the uses of benzoic acid. Next is acidity of substituted benzoic acid. The resonance stabilization by aromatic pi orbital play a large role in relative acidity of benzoic acid and substituted benzoic acid. Okay. In benzoic acid, the negative charge is not effectively delocalized by aromatic ring. That this is because the oxygen of carboxylate anion are not directly adjacent to aromatic ring. Okay. All orthosubstituent, whether it is electron withdrawing or electron donating, it increase the acidity of benzoic acid. Increase the acidity of benzoic acid. The next is electron withdrawing group. The conjugated base of benzoic acid is stabilized by electron withdrawing group. This makes the acidity more acidic. Okay, means electron withdrawing group substituted on benzoic acid, it increases the acidity of benzoic acid. Next, electron donating group. The conjugated base of benzoic acid is destabilized by electron donating group. This makes the acid less acidic. Means electron donating group decreases the acidity of benzoic acid. When electron withdrawing group are substituted on benzoic acid, it increases the acidity of benzoic acid. The example of electron withdrawing group chlorine, fluorine, cyanide, nitrite and so on. The electron donating group. When the electron donating group substituted on benzoic acid, it decreases the acidity of benzoic acid. Amine, hydroxyl group and so on. Next is reaction of benzoic acid. Reaction of benzoic acid on carboxylic group. First reaction is salt formation. When the benzoic acid is react with sodium hydroxide or sodium bicarbonate to form a sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate, it is a salt. Next reaction of carboxylic group is ester formation. When the benzoic acid is react with alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it form ester. It form a ester. Okay. In esterification reaction, the sulfuric acid is act as an catalyst. Okay. After formation of ester, the water will be removed from the reaction. It is a general reaction of esterification. In general reaction of esterification, what happens? When acid is react with alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it form ester and water. Okay. Next reaction is acyl halide formation. When the benzoic acid react with phosphorus pentachloride or thionyl chloride to form a benzyl chloride. Okay. Next reaction of carboxylic group is decarboxylation. When the benzoic acid is heated with soda lime, it remove carbon dioxide to form a benzene. Okay. Next, reaction of benzene ring. So reaction of benzene ring or on benzene ring, the electrophilic substitution reaction are take place. The benzene ring of benzoic acid undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction on metaposition. Okay. Why on metaposition? Because the ortho and para position of benzoic acid carries positive charge. See this resonance. The ortho and para position of benzoic acid carries positive charge, and electrophile cannot attack on ortho and para position. Why? Because the ortho and para position carries positive charge. The electrophile is also carries positive charge, and because of same charge, the charge repel each other. This is a general rule. So because of this, the electrophile is not attack on ortho and para position, it is attack on meta position, because the meta position of benzoic acid is electron rich position. That's why the electrophile attack on meta position of benzoic acid. And electrophilic substitution reaction of benzoic acid is first is nitration reaction, hydrolysis reaction, amination, and so on reaction is take place in on benzoic acid. Okay. So why electrophilic substitution reaction is take place on meta position? Because the ortho and para position of benzoic acid carries positive charge, and your electrophile is also carries positive charge, and because of same charge, these repel each other. So that's why on ortho and para position the substitution of electrophile is not possible, but in meta position this position is electron rich position, and that's why this electrophile is attack on meta position. Thank you.